Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous video tutorial, we have rendered the list of categories here. We have two series of this tutorial. In the first part, we will develop the front-end side of edit, and in the second part, we will create the back-end side for edit this category dynamically from this page. So we have requirement whenever we will click on edit, this field change into the inbox or text field, and whenever we will type anything and hit enter, it will get changed or saved and updated within the database and also on the front end. So what we will do, first we need to identify on this click on which index of DOM it is presenting this text. Okay, so here we have the edit. Now inspect this. Here we have a class edit menu location list, so we need to change that. Go to the category having list and search for the edit. Here is the edit, so we need to change its class. Let's say it is only edit. We have a class named edit. Now refresh this and you will see we have a class edit. On the class edit, we will fetch the record. Oops, let me uncheck this. So this is the edit which is representing here. We need to extract its parent and traverse up to here. Here is the button group. Go to its parent. Here is the TD and its parent, which is obviously ROTR, and then its children TD having third TD, so we will use index 2 0 1. So index 1 dot, here is the text. Now we will create a listener for the edit class. Okay, so here I am going to create the edit class listener. Document dot on, I have click event. I want to use it on dot edit. Here is the function which I want to execute. Temp name. So here we have a name and pass this attribute here, so it will get the current clicked button. So here we have the text. Now replace this with a dynamic input field. So what we will do, we will replace this by creating a input field HTML and hit enter, and it's converted into the text field. And now let's see the final result. Here you will observe whenever I will click on edit, the associative category field become editable by exchanging the text with input box. In the next tutorial, we will render the dynamic data which was ahead previously, like the text should be here. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.